Abizan for my mama mo akwa ba na ma mini kan che me guest ne se me pa wo mo ache me ma wo mu dibem efi se wo mo bantem pa na so na ye ni opani ansamo aboaten so ahyehye san hyehye yewe ti se de wo ma ba betwen enti minua ba Queen Jennifer Oforiwa Deputy Communications Director, right? Nana Yefuwa director wo aha na the prince atwoni ye Deputy Communications Director ma MPP and minua be ma Adekye J Deputy Bono Regional Communications Officer Emma NDC mpamucho mu fanche me se ene mama matwen achesa na afi ye ba bedi Ghana come on quickly mame enkantre studio fix all Jolo E Plaza 2 sempa ocho mi wie ya monye crowd on train Mr. Sewani bi ne meba wani na ene me ba be siesie me ho onhu sa yese me ombri ni yi nude in simpachon so yakọ studio fix non fix o nails mount non fix o eyelash mount on wax o eyebrow mount on your massage papa bi kama kai say studio fix o E Plaza 2 abronsan no emo abronsan na best pension trust e wo mu na eho na wo mu maka best point mo ho to say Mr. Aidan oni abusuafo ni nyina say Bank of Ghana ewie cleaning system no best point that su gina ne na so preme into manfo ye damo ase say mama best point aye best point monko na ho no oye dunsini a kwanchan dunsini a wo se abrefo nti wudu sika kwa wasombedwo na enu achi na makache Beauty Cottage, Beauty Cottage, Hair Beauty Cottage. Yeah, Wakanda Club 10. Se me dana se pa. If it's ono so na where you Jimmy Conru Rasta na de Canela Pass. If it's azoto say hey, Sanye style no ni din also. Go Beauty Hair Cottage. Wakanda Club 10. We do taxi rank okra. We be abekanchi. We be juju kama. And Pabuano so the #1 original no eno Magbro collection. Onu no gina ne nanso empaboa stores akese en9 atufo nyina tubiton enti ya Magbro tie din no Magbro gina ne nanso collection empani nkwada school for de footballers de nyina wo office for benya wo mu de 0244 211 491 Pick Farm Otrabe de Pele Plaza na onsabe nkum so konim kakra bi ho na Magbro wo be kwa akoto wo mu meda wo mu ase papa pase wo mu siesie me kama ensem wa ye be ka anopai no mampani enura at 8:30 wo Ghana no wo address UN General Assembly de to so dio son 9 assemti pon pa eni say ade ba kwa wo sa mama hu dunya de so eni so ne say e wo so otu hia ase se wa wanya sika yie western world no etu hia ase a yen so kra afa ni etu mpon no yeso kra yetu hiase a obi a ho bedwo no wasum bedwo mesuma sum bedwo miti waka che ni nuan mo fi amama hodo so enkanka bibremfo ne se e wo so odi si wani so se obetu ohia ase evisi ohia oye sanfo nanim ha oye bonefo se wanhwe ya wanhwe ni ya wo bema wo nimpa nyina aka wo be se wo niama e de amount enti poverty eradication ena mampeni enura na ye na asem no ni triple a wode etudwa afeye ne daily guide ediaba se Dr. Yao Macpalm wo su se woni nkrofo bi wo mo na wo mo ye etuo ni akode ni ade a onyansem ni a wodi bedi no yesesa wonya asatim po na che Facebook nyina wo kotwotwo to ai se wo hye mabunu kutupa se de be ya wo mbe sori aye dom etia aban afi krade yesi Deputy Defense Minister say wonum yesi won be attack Defense Ministry enti anopay mienu wei ena quickly ye be hwe na ansa ena ya sorry so na they said I in the time they ma to be nundu brim kra ansa na me sorry minua no mama mo akwa aba Queen Your Excellency Oforiwa no Mamenye je oso kakra na ne time no mafa pa se bibia bokọ de ya do wa bokọ ho so ayefe me da se bi onana otiti gu mu se dia na ba bia gu am ya me ye bi na wasan ko start abo o mesia baba kin na me kon do bo emu ede okay Queen President His Excellency President Nana Akufo-Addo de ne address etu January me sure say wutie bi wo net o say
Dedi kan mama mfa enchiama Ghana fo nyina.
Okay.
Menchia His Excellency any entourage team on your call UN Assembly program.
Okay.
Na me nchia me party penifo na time na dia be rem said na wo kan but eh ni nyina aka ho.
Yeah.
One ama me 8. Nti we dia ahwefo
Fachem you ensa dancer yem.
Ye be ya na say yenye. Na me ma me nua Eric so ache.
Okay.
E be da mo so ni akwanya mama yi.
Yeah, that's say.
Obisa me say ensama a president ko tu dwa no meti ase say ana say ye kire mu say ya. Yenti ana da mo ase ne say ye nya akwanya e be kire mu e ma ni party ase ana e ye brofo kasa do kasa obi nti brofo. Na topic UN Assembly, that is 74th session. Omo ye ma mpani recognition so o mekasa wase no that one alone e ye munyam say e magana for but what ma say topic in na me de or say eradication of poverty in Africa na me boa.
Yeah.
Good. So we share yen Africa hanya Ghana per se. Ye education sama e ahomete pa. Me fa education because bibia ye bia we can't leave education out of whatever we are doing.
Okay.
Education am ye ni bie ana ye ni bie won yama bebre. I'm not saying say obi a wanya education bia sebe na ni ntie. But gradually no ye nim de wo school kom. Ene ne yama ye di wura mu no boa me ayi sebe ohia ne nkwankom afiri ho. Ma me mfa UN report bia ebeto dwa me bi say about 25 million nkola ene deprived from a friend is saying education so onimu de enkan kan hwe sub-Sahara areas na nkwala omunya akwanya enya education papa emo ho ena wo hwe ye ma so a ye number one victim and I say vulnerable on say obaya say obera of late na ma yenya akwanya ye call classroom that perception not Ghana alone so oba di brand kitchen this anyama no minim said the fear was to be in competition with member and I say be say ya but maybe be ana first na yinim and then no any bi aba akwanya aba enu nti ne yenya aban bi a aba his excellence na na danko akufuado eda no a ye say ye ma education for all enkwala obi bia benya akwanya akota classroom o kan ye beka sa de na o mention free SHS is no a policy aboye amenne sebe obi anu ahia ne wiase ahokere ho
okay
sebe obi ho a ne ho kire ne ba ana ahia ni ba eni osikani ba betena table ba ko benya classmate not just classmate ebetu ba bi no generation na eba ne we will grow to understand anyama bi we wiase say ade bu ye jojo entiase ni nyina education onim za ni nyina ya akwanya benya akota classroom na ye de atoato adwene na masumdua ye de aba enkoye gidigidi ye plan ye nye we biem. That is why ye ka friend say poverty eradication or waja bibi ho wuti mu yi and time this
o free SHS na wo kana na won tiase
oh no on tiase obeda no tiase on timi tiase but say ye hwe ni ye a boy pa me ye de akwa koduru baby
okay
baby e me de
kakra no nko an be but e be duru baby nti e be duru wa de ye biem ne be ka ho ama ye nya sa ni so ade hu nya sa e be se de bia ye kwa ni akokasa na fi yase aba
na e me de se o kan ye health systems so e ho asem so hwe duru baby na me mfa me Ghana ha ya because I had yet enough ube hu say bapem for kra na de na to bucket because a bucket abobo ya nkoto ani bi nechi na waka no tricycles no boa na ye de na ekọ enne ya ambulance aye ka se de ba no aba ebi aba bedru ebe ye adwuma drones na aye kan drones aye kan about 15 friends hospitals and as healthcare centers drones ye adwuma regular at the core boy you see some of these things ni nyina betimi ayi ahokere ene sabe ohia na nyama bia ye de afrio you may see it with different way and I say bia your perception about what I'm explaining now will be different from bia de wo ye de wo dwene but eradicating poverty
no ye wo high unemployment rate
exactly
ye mfidi dwuma sem enso enkoyi nti say the oko school we SHS what about so oko the next level obi be kwa do university accommodation cry a problem enti sa no enkoye epo e wani mu ti say ye fura akodu mfimfi ba bia na abopo sanu ye betimi eradicate ni ye.
That is why yenya omampani bia bibia ye bia you see idea one thing I like about this government me a part of it and say Ghana for be so any je won say bibia oba criticize you on and I say bibia oba twen adwene oba prompt adwene de asisu bia no ye ho adwuma.
Okay.
Penny for can say be say bia onuru ho ye nka ho asem but ye nim say ye dey a betimi aye dey esi. Okay. You understand? Entino say eba say ye can accommodation asem. Excuse me to say, this is not the first time in Kuala Eco School, Sabi be accommodation, a problem no by a It has been there. At the end, you be here for to say your cano. We put measures and certain things in place. If say was set your universities, no, it provided more facilities. Emma or more person bedaho or more betnaho ebesuadiano, ye I think a bino ebeboa amanaye de akoso. Now back to us in Bia can say Kuala we free SHS in all universities now. Or we are, what is the way forward? The way forward, bine, sa policies are, yedia by you, binyaba. A be able to say, bia, or a baby na ban or then a policy be a ban or implement it, ye buy be a year free, but that shouldn't be the case. Sa, friend say, planting for food and jobs, wouldn't boy a one ranty and a bar. Okay. Ye 1D, 1F, ya, ye king. Wouldn't say, ya, a funny paddle, that is a ranty and a bar. You see, won't mean you university, nan kwaya white collar job nko. But you know that. So nim. One kasa betimi awie na true nim dia akonya o university no. One kasa wa create wadwuma ma memfa me babi or ye serial caller. Your friend Asanto Abakwa me. So obeka ya ye serial caller bi o free mu kakra ne back. Oh, free mu. Ye wie na emse na nsa na o free mu. Oh, radin fa ne credit. But minim na na Abakwa matini di so wo madina na na. Wodi mo say boy ne tena ho no. Na me nya hwe ye nya bibia. Akwala na start bibia wo ye. Ono akasa start eye mpaboa no ne ade a kakra was supply ne Ghana how ye nyina ye tobi aye de hye no ebedru aye de akoba bi wan chance anka say ebi a manya education na ba bi am ko school duru ye no menya ban adwuma anye ana menya bibi nye nti no me try say me ye bibi saa de na wo ye no se du ba bi no fa nipa ba ko mienu yen so oba ya won say o try yi ahokere ene ahoyehia bi afro wonim saa. Okay. Now ye nko school ni keke ya provide technologies bi a ya take class ye ko school hwe we are Bobby be our phone to say, I let you ever catch us say, go on your net or say go on your phone, check on the net, give me an answer. Let you they do it. Yeah. You know, say school, what must say? Obo Baka say, oh, they call phone so give me an answer. Share what already a note here say, Nina yama back closer to our doorstep. One, I boama ye a hunchner any yama fro. You see, it's so sad. Say at a point. Oba over 100 university level. Once a one I wish I know, on do baby or dinner home. Obey we obey service. No better if you know, near Jumanya. Meanwhile, no, a beer, bibi or how I day was fear, and I say, Nimdiabi or Konyawo University, and I say entrepreneurship programs be a year. When you be, obey to me the abon home by, Nina Dina buying papa or the measures, and then Yama or dear Guaco. You see, President can be said, Medamanu see a time. Now, but the next topic here very important. Na friend say President Kasim be say si ye be yisa nyama we nyina free ho a ye be ya mana kwakodru ba bi say Africa no Ghana alone yenko ye mrofo that is developed country we say ye developing yenko mo ho nkwaje bi amoa biem say ye de ba beboa that is why ya free such as why the most important thing I can na bi ankofo feel say we are trying to credit ourselves with baby but ye yisa nyama we nyina say the Ghana scan na ye. Okay. A bedroom baby, I expand your baby. No education in terms of university level, you know, baby, yeah. Idea, baby, that what you know, your health systems, your baby, cheap compounds, no money, idea, gradually will take Ghana bedroom baby, poverty eradication, no, to be free or am I yenya, Bibi papa dia bo. Eric, amanfo akase mampani wo akukudra odi campaign. Efisi asemba ko kan ye efa ye fa gudie ene ye japade aye wo ye nsase eposo eni amane ade a wo kire mu se nyese me ka se me de sobu obo obi nanso mo bedi mu adanse se colonialism and imperialism aha yen Africa na no eminent reporter wo mo de babo ntia South African president former president Thabo Mbeki etiso ano ka se sikapa e free kwati kwan so free Africa e de eba aman hodo so western world I say yemoni mu asem enti se to poverty asia mo so mo ka ho bi ya mo moaye
that speech we na.
Yeah, I'm say an opera de medawase na match UTV for. Na me mfanche mudu ama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Bibi owo bia no. Esren yankopon say o mani hira ne na adon na onye kese. The name say come 2020 amani hu na Ghana fo akom no. Ye beje Ghana fo afro haum. Na ya me formal school so I study was me kan ya me ya adoma 18th to 20th of next month. Ye ko homecoming no say to senior high school. Enti yes ya enya kwanya ko platforms no ye de ni say da bia we say e bo ho daru.
Okay.
Enti o ya brempon a bebi a wo bia na yenko fie. Na yeso yenko bo ama ya ama meta no so nko nanim.
That's true.
Enraga na mampeni kasai. No pay na menhwe kakra wo YouTube. Amana hodo pi mpanimfo akasa. And it is time say maybe aso say ya wan say da bia say leadership no kunya such podium na omo kan sempa. Nipa ba ko a eba ne samre America no pa Robert Mugabe so na man da opportunity na so be kan adwena kire. Ba ni nyina ne se ko kan adwene ne e ba fia. Ye hye action speaks no. Ya na ye adwuma na. Because da bia brofo de ne de be kan da bia.
Okay.
Na se ya kwa aba no. Ana montu e wo se etu e ma sa na e ma no so ko nanim ya na ye ya na. With the issue of poverty eradication na mampeni kan ho asemi. Many about starting and offer free education thereby. Any problem? So
Mama Penny spoke about education, or technology, or can you be?
But once or by not on the need free for party or free SHS.
Oh, okay, education.
I didn't talk about health way.
Oh, so health the obesity and now see drone moon and hospital, moon and hospital. Yes, okay. And you see, there were so many ways. You be fast one, you two, so poverty nasi, or your fraternity na no. One factor I consider by rural electrification project na aban ba ya na edi achire no. So come constituency German North, there were about 40 something communities. Na oko some areas na enkwada no ye de FQ ni ade ba ye nyina na enkwada no ko school no come. Ba ya kwada pon school otifi ade san woni be bi import na sua ade. Ba ne si yetimi ma ye nkura nketwa mu no nkuro nketwa mu ne de keka ho ni nyina ma hode no bi ko hwa. Eno boa ma mun sunyo opportunity said e be ya yenuanu ma wo PDS you said in school ono apon a oti ba bi sua de no de oti makura ase ba bi nso benya kwanya ya da ye bi nti ndc aban betena so no o come constituency if you kwanya so na there's no single community ya yamfa electricity
education na Jennifer kan ya no president na akra kan say quality education eno we in Ghana are spending substantial part of our national revenue, indeed a third of our nation's budget on education. So eno a fear
na
only president
nti be mention ne say sa electrification project ni ade aban bia ba na o embark on ni na de sa burden na yeden ekofom because some of the communities ya pure water ya na yeda bia to bi kwan mu obi hu bi da because kan ya ni on edi bia kwahye fridge mama na yeden enya bia nom
but na dey say almost
but no yes eno mo na ma ye how no
80% crowd
so in South Africa Joma Hamada Roma ya na edi so ya ba ye adwuma pa so be kan no kre na akire Ghana fo enti eno so ka ho na ya kwantempon kwan ya fa so e ma rural areas no so ya kwan mani panya accessible to near more person wo ye nyina no I think say eboa e ma di mpuntu oba ni pa asetenem ayaresa sisi amene o ka say woni ye nua gani mu ka say o ya ba ya post nurses be 54,000 Baya nurses, we nursing training college. Yem postu no nko classroom so nko kirade. Unim za. Nti aban ba e wo sesa na yema nyina wode ye wasodie. Memma enye se focus nyina ne se ye ka ade bia ye free education because NDC fear konwa so in 2016 you know. Na chip compound you see more than 2,554. What am I say? Eno no okọ ye nkuro nketua no mu a apemfo a enyem enya kwanya ekwa ayaresabia tam bia anya fe ne de okoto motokim benene dodo na akanwuram etinka mampani ogina UN General Assembly no na wa directing Minister of Health sekọ sifom NDC projects akese na omo ye ne bebie fu ayem fofo no monko na monko ye mo
ehonom na okoma sa directive
na se no won kan ho ntime kan wa beti asema me ka serious last week me call program of Power FM me pon ye na nursing students nipa makoma 17 na omugina ho na mo si o mampani da bi o kasa o ba wa finance 54,000 omo call private na omo call aban schools ni na
okay
na omo ye part amampani so wa form na omo nya adwuma enti mampani fa form no omo kire omumu na omo ntiase enti omo bekwa picketing this week Ministry of
omo ka se omo fa obia
omo say omo ban omo ka say tie me Jenny omo say omo fa free 2014 2015 2016 this is private for no omo gu fie ni na enkofo asu wie 2015 so wa form omo tifie almost every year be omo pin so omo de omo ko renew ye ni na sika sam enti mampani mo mo ntia se
ono nkwala kasa mo ma she uniform aba ho then mo ya ya stick
Jennifer mampani ka poverty eradication ho asem won ye ka bi o ni na so ye no ni na so ye process a ye di tu ase no
wa ko fi abo
no ye be srega na mampani kasa ne de obeka bi but ya wanye action you see once all kasa say quality education then ya ko fa World Bank Human Capital Index report na about June 18 this year 2019
okay
yes say oba Ghana enrollment no kosro ba ba no quality education na ya hwe 15 years edi anim no ye nkwada na be chen bomb obi wi school betimi explode because of quality I am the same mampani kan quality and o see yesika no so no ye de send education ho no
1/3
also 1/3 of our national budget
oh me kasa you say okay na no minim dia o kan
yesika no
ntina we say
ye de ko any FSHS ana
ye de ko ye de ye education
very good one who say ye kan no na free ho no na me nu agina mo ntina me pese me kan asem chew no you see education e de ye betimi aye ama obi anya bia ko fine we all support it. But we should think say nye nipa nyina na e bia ye ko suku we etimi di so mfaso obi anim ana mebo enti akwan hodo a ye faso manipa nia nsane duma sinsu manuma no
how different is it from the American? Is it not the same thing?
Oh, come here you Jennifer.
It's repeating the same thing I said.
So the money repeat.
You just acknowledge as American and say thank you. Asem na I don't know that's why.
Asem wa okay. What can dey me come dey na so time me. It's the American say education and no ho ba ba na fiji djuma ne yensa no adwuma so anipa besua na ye ma ye concentration ko homo make I say ye wa konwa so no that time na honorable Erikopoku na ye Brown Half regional minister na or the initiative be by me di akire bi itimi che afidie ya afidie de pam ne mai ye che be 10,000 e was some areas yes because o kopata mu bi a school no wo ho ba o ma obi kwan so onko tena se nsua de ye ni ti like no be an etiye de edibuano and we have to sit as a nation ni enya data chese ye nkwada na ekọ school no emre ekọ na nimbe 20 years ni pese e na betimi afa na mapamu ama education omo nya so mfaso ye wo this sector so a e wo se mfidi djuma ye ma ye concentration na ekọ homo because na me ne wo ka say so ko magazine master biatna wo training kwala be 20 ya obia ba bonten a na wo de ka kosi otimi ye ba obusa won say aban abako aban aba Nshishe papa ben na ya de masa ankofo na omo so boa through their skills no. Yemfa policy papa bi enwu akwan mu ma omo and those are the people that omo contributing much to the economic development. They are the great people. We know. Education
so yeah, mo betina radio and TV so especially do campaign time. Yeah, mo kan de say but mo nya to me no so na different thing.
Oni bibi me de bia me kan. Amanyo sema amasha ase ade anyankopon emma menye bi da ne se nkontompo beni manum kan. Me who the America, me who the America. Because the reason is at the end of the day, see you be jina simply no so near si forma. Your name conform jina form one, you could jina form more. And they are the very people who are on the complaining natural. And to Ghana man penny in his speech. So we need to assign an animal for there or bury a go an action on the assembly. Into your best rest and another fear. And so for
no some no tipo
and some of the tip on here. Be two sanya man or canning us. And I intimate as a secretary as a proyoka will be here free. And all my yard. Oh, yes. Now you're a couple of poverty as some poverty as some year can. Oko National Youth Authority, it make us here the candidates over 40 billion actually. Ecosystem bob share. And no faso de be na na de ba because your personnel or mo yes ejuma no the way sika enu ko ho asem na make no and no him say Australia ambassador Ghana no so akasa o say Ghana corruption is too much so the way amount for kasa no
oh say now
no it's about time say abanya wo de international level
we've been here
ama Ghana for tia say e wo say etu sa na ma na so ne keta se no press di ni panya ya unim say keta se proye e chen measures because the Juma timi yen within a day.
And this is why Ghana for money. Why Ghana for
Ghana
because corruption rate of under NDC ultimate designing ultimate describing
okay. Corruption rate ben okay. Report ben.
I think some na work
now corruption perception index.
Say
can history there. Never Jenny Togo. Now mo kata se share program mo God say mo can be.
I think some na okay.
And it say adoko there o mabem. Obia can be. Look at the type of persons or more. And it's a man penisi and poverty asia. Amam woman omunya krono na bo mo man mrase. Krono na yados wa banum. Because baby a Ghana for sick you know kono. Ye hu fa so there by and you know it's a fact. Confirm. National Communication Authority 170 million Ghana cedis. Yes ya you hu. I know 170 million. National Communication Authority. Where's the money? CDD report over 9.5 billion Ghana cedis. Ayira. Enti omanya mampeni eto nyum se ye mo na poverty nkofo no da bia sika yira wa ban mu de na edi to poverty na se. So Jennifer kwa o kan mi kira na na dan kwa kufu ado se. Ghana for secretary se shane program e ya do so. Se betinye to poverty na se sika na mu mpani fo ni wia no kwa no. Ye fa mo Ghana for mo bra. E na me ne o ka se. Meba e na me ne o ka se meba. Oh ye ka poverty.
Na ba bia kwoti si ye. Ye ka poverty.
And ye me di enya na me kan. Poverty kata se shane program.
Mama kasa mama min kasa.
Ya me di besi for. Asem a ye kan. Poverty asem ne ye kan yo. E na me chese kata se shane program ya de a edi o manya.
And this you have done.
Omanya kata se shane program ne mo penso. Mu da ba bia be den yakoyanim. You can't. Nano ada. I say Okofo Auditor General Reporter. Me ba me DC for man. Okofo Auditor General Reporter. Enkofo ne ba ban mu a baby school feeding ye nu aduane wo ye tuaka wo. Ye si bochie o. Also ba akohoma wo. So what is wrong?
It's never
that report in a
you Auditor General Report. Yes, 2018. Ye wo ya ben. Na baby a yen si bochi ya na wo bo akoma ho. That is it fair?
No, MPP party.
Well, they were more man no. I was some to mo.
NDC has the audacity to talk about corruption. I'm surprised, Eric.
Ebambon su di mu a otimi ko wo nwuma so. Omo ye adwuma nya sika gu ombutum. Enu so etu hia ase.
Planting for food asenya. Okay. Say me what documents wa mo ministers ni na e kan mo party paying for we fertilizer na tompa enu bi mu ni o make make kan ni na yes ye ntu poverty ase mo
chairman na we fertilizer
na mo we fertilizer sa ye be dey to ase ye ntimi ntu ase
ana me boa fertilizer de be ye ma boa mo nyina mo nya mo
pacho me wo floor ni so sound man me da ase pa de gita enti tedi amobe ye mo hu ide ye nhwe still ene ye ka sa Dr. McPalm ene ne squad na sem na obi a di omo court a ko edu e de bo mo ani se omo produce ammunitions and omo manufacture ammunitions without authority legal backing bakupe ya no aye titi ya nkrata nso dia ba no pezesi sa na nkomo ko attack Ministry of Defense and a daily guide so se papa na nkasa no na wafa sa adwen na che Dr. McPalm no I see the poster hodwa or ye wo social media, specifically Facebook no. And yansem ketwa na ni nyina akire se I say revolution will not dream revolution then na come so. Unya obeye nti mebuabu amabuna no. Na mo kra MPP ni NDC emfono mo. NDC ni MPP emfono mo. Eni ese Ghana fo pi taika. Ana bra Eric.
Yeah. On the security there.
Yeah.
Na me was it 3 days ago na na Friday no kra na nsem we start here. Ya besre abane de atudwa se nkofo no na omo etimu pobisa ompese omo cause chaos in the country. Enti kwanya ombefa so de ma tutu ya man de ma so asiso no they should keep it up. Na once and then no ewiase adane kakra. Enti kane no kwanya e bia na e faso yeku ne betimi different from kwanya be faso aye ne ne.
Okay.
Enti se BBC ba na omugi dis intelligence na omode aba no. Sebi impredua say dimu pa they should work towards that. Because enye fese ye beti no tra kwese ochina na akoda ne boachi bidin. But the Amagana for be raise concerns no. The okai charges ya so boy dia bomb. Ya mona ajamusu amra. They say obi yes obi two abanye go no ne den. First degree felony and no cry den. Eja lawyers. Now on me.
Anyo na wo flow no.
When we say asem na ye kan no, the Amagana for ye that discussion. Me tie a lot of security analysts.
Okay.
And I say utie omo angle omo de omo interviews ne fana. Akwai se bi mu ogidie se bibisa bitimi asi, ebi mu so ogidie se bibisa ntimi asi. What am I say? So I think say abai mu mpanimfo no e na omo ka so ma tracking kofo na more than 15 months or so. Yes sir. So they have enough evidence omo betimi Amagana for who say na net here. But who consider charges na ye de akobo omo na dia. Na ekwa say ya da ne kakra. Say the senior information because baby a crata free baby boy Ghana for amane no. If you can see mu information minister and a friends and for no de crata about bonten say monye na monka ho asem de ye hunie. And now some of us were thinking say even kwadu no kro mo de kɔbɔ nipa no court no. E be kire say de ye kan ye nokre. Because of unlawful then they abobo mu ya. And sa charges bia na de board double mu ayawaso commission report. Ya man penny de white paper scrap. Ya have copy here.
Commission dey so more charge.
Commission no kwadu o de board. Meba findings no meba. Oko individual liabilities on I have a copy of the report.
One more charge.
Oh de tie me. Findings no de buy no. Oko individual liabilities a. Yes be mo kra unlawful possession of firearms mebo.
Okay.
Wo mu bi. Enu bia na de akobɔ nkofo yi. Ba ya waso de ne ba man penny say no mo anya enough evidence nti wa clearing agent. So what we are telling them is say de ye ne oman no mu no. It's about time see leadership and tenase. Niema bi pa. Me, I won't say whether so mu yeku and so mu yeku because I have no justification to prove myself. What am I say? But there me say your political leadership and tiase. Yeah. At the end bema inform you be say obi nkoye the so called alaju ku yo mokan. Niema kuyi. Factors ben and no more consider because time and story neba na mo si o ye wo military personnel for mo ka ho nipa be edu meboa omo kra na ya start here conduct investigation ye hu omu din I have a copy here but you see ade aya me dwen
Major Derrick Odro retired say omo ewo say military for na bi omo so omo wo omo kwan omo fa so a
omo so ye omo ne ma
ye di omo asem so let's say military court martial but for now no your kai na say omo so omo edi omo famra kwan so say ye show omo asem ewo omo process ne mo
ya wa hu I think say you was so you were acquire who do peer matters of this nature. You beat me a solve it. Once acquire a creative fear and panic being in the system. And I tell you, I say once
I'm not sure mama for my page.
Na say page because your Tiana man penny can prove it in one summer international platform awenya. So are you telling me say you are we investor? Now ne Ghana businessman share. Mo dink ta hu die so person aban one district one factory. And now akoye boachi bi din opese obeboa na aban ne ya oman ya emunyu a obi ba be yeku beba. You see matters be ba I think say how we gather intelligence no ye modernize ne kakra yes asem bia ba ya because of kwan ye fa so ye amanyo semunti no ne de aba abonte na de ba ko a mo sua ne kakra ne say sa asem bi ba na security matters na the political leadership no e de omo ho ba mu a e matemamufo no mo mu achetu partisan interest na ba unim sa de no one asem ye ba ya information minister ko gina ho issue statement or yeah press say na ekono I think say from the you can say state security apparatus no omo angle na dey free ba na omo de caution bi mu aba say ye nhwe ye say ni say the discussion can ye the same so we should start learning some lessons from this and me dem na obesi from no ya wa say ade ba ko so a ma hu say m1 ne say that political vigilantism na no ada say ye de ho bill come rahye be fe say ye be make sure say betu ase no I think say sa niema no ye root cause of what is happening now in the system because politicians to me training mebunu how to handle weapon okay ye ba beto about 2016 South Africa mercenary for ya mokofo mo ba ya mo de omukogu agona dua kwa forest no okay yeah South Africa for meba
omo ye mema omabo
o de meba o hwe document e pie ye kire omo kwan fa so tutu kwan you see those things no so who energize omo with those training na at the end of the day aban no ba power na wantimi satisfy omo bia sankofo no wo ho omutimi gang up edit aban so na do de afutu e de be man ne se nkofo betu na aban agu a omo ne na te presidency Delta Force na invincible for no omo garden so nim say the bodyguard bi mu ye Delta Force for Sa nkofo na betimi atu na banyagu. So na to set up. Na sa won say me I don't want to say me nyi ni se nkofo ni be yeku because me ni intel be madikin aka. Ba hwe sa ayi sekama ne ayi. Na nkatwa de nyina wo mu. Just ade na ehu kwa.
Na nkatwa de.
Oh me hu be pictures ne ba ko.
Ebi na nkofo na di agro but.
Wonim say edru ba bi no mo social media for no time a omode da munitions ye kan sen enema na omoji free nkofo no ba abonten na Ghana for start raise concerns na obekọ mo social media guys ni na omako fatu fresh be 100 na de nkofo no picture to meaning say we dey cool emoba ni too. But what we are telling them is say Nanado omanani na ho as a president. I believe say he's a commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces and I offer the Biameka Securities and Intelligence Act na ono na you obi odano. Enti niema bi say how to handle it no, they should be very careful.
And the washer buying handle ni.
Oh, omo ha money too much. Eno na make he.
But anim difo aka say.
So we niema bi say ya.
Kese ba frank nsi.
Onim say Ghana be.
Enti nye ku nyina na etu ni akode.
Some di kan say anibiaba. Enti ene ye ko technological world. There was so many ways. Eno nti na make say so omo gada omo intelligence no mo de ye adwuma how wo mo de information e ban eno bia na police administration amane digital den kwada na issue na eye wo ye ne bi no you can do a lot of things ya wonim say de aba nei na no ada me ye betena platform so ani ye discuss about terrorism meboa last enkofo no tisa akwanya bia bagana say ye timi bo wura mu bi be ye biko because already no you creating impression bi so man no munyo they can also come on board and create mess and go
tunya yanka we no aban enye na underground hwehwemu na nka onfa metudwa na
because me charges na ye de abo nkofo na enye ku dita charge na de abo mu that is my problem here and I would the only problem or charges no because per the statement na e ba abonten no ne charges e de abo mu court no ya ka no kra nyame anim efa and afi ne ye be ko process ne ye ko na ne amend charges
omo no makoyo mo hwe mo kita omo evidence nti
and now who substantive evidence e chese obi plot so obeyeku now the nipa no kokota first start pine ana meboa enti others no kra na omo so nka omo ne omo betimi app no ye the charges no kra bo nipa na be serve as deterrence man meanwhile judgment nyama because ya charge obi so obe plot ku a ye kan say bonfo sem a eso wo man mu ha obi betu ye mra pon agu ana meboa
okay
so ye besre Kwajo Pon Kromo a very fine gentleman but aban we this woman be yes no ade bia na wabakukuku no obeka onye very careful the banisa na wo soye image na wanya no
just information minister no asemba mo mama
eno na me kan asemba asembia ne kwan ya fa so ka no asema make a very serious so and now who implications of it omanya ye bre omanya ne ambassador se wo kuruma nyina kasa se corruption na tietisi omanya ye hia nyuma omanya banks egu a ye pe nyuma mani paye omanya the same time ye champion se Ghana beyond 8 omanya ye se ye di factories yiba one district one factory na insecurity de bia be yehu are you thinking say ye betimi focusing on it say yes solve
any audio omanya say ama okra
enkoyi and then ipa da won now Nanado pencil oda now kate wani mienu asem bi betimi ato anytime but ye besere okwa manana so nti queen manana so nti se ye de oman no man mfie nan said ye obu o man Ghana for kasa it is say ya wontene fie kakra ye se na tu kwan dodo enti onim de ekoso oba ga bi mu man proper briefing no sa na me hu no because the one nyema no kono se na tena fie pa na hu se na nyema tia ya kana na ye bibi o because the way musika na ya sempansa na iba no ene ya no e
the best thing you can do is to laugh over it
ene fatu aso
obaya uni ye security sense on said just last week right exactly a week today and last week Wednesday no and today and ye better ha ye can ye security sense and simple her ba ye ni amanyo semi ete said you know okay na we see it be a one part be who say funny you understand okay say proud to elections when the heat of campaign in Ejinamu the first gentleman of the land that is former president on a bush and 40 story down utie
I'm listening
security yeah juma so wa sorry hunti kra no say wo be wura mu a e wo say security here from a distance before you even get to the entrance of the church because president was right here. Yenya obi mane di two. Na nya AK-47 no. Na AK-47. Tana ye pistol ye dia share hu sei. Ewram at the buyer. Se nya me e na fafia wo de bon say pa no ku na. Wonu masama ka me pa so ba. Won say ma kasa. Sira wa. Won say we na be be kasa man kofo ati asama me kana say. The time is getting closer. Eric, Mr. Odin Kreja.
But Jenny Oka says that time, no say, Muka Kwana, president.
Meet you, pa.
So, all this security, the guy was able to. So, Befem, I could drew Biabiana Mampeni. So, in your opportunity, need to the bonus say, prayer. When you say Ghana, you know, was your security and some ness and so any for one, I say, I near Juma. In as much, say, na you criticize the president. Na your companies ye beba power no. Nobody dreamt of taking the president's life. But timamuni yenya timamuni a obowre mu say ya enko kwaje ne nkwaye dey free nisam. Is it not dangerous? Now enra na metie mu a mu station ya agada bia metie.
Yes station.
Me nya wo pacho me ka Power FM ne radio XYZ. Asa me ka OK FM. Wa
o say
pacho say.
O say den.
Men ka o station no station na metie no pa no say na mu
na say dey matoto ni nyinam.
So wo hwe press release and a statement Yewura Kojo Ponkroma. He is the Minister for Information. It be a for presidency and I say far by ni mono. He is the one to come out and friends say and speak about it and I say speak on it and amboa. Yentimi ko fa bebrolate. And I say Yewura John Dramani mama so me kan say we see wo yen ya ban mu. E pa cho. Bisrewa de ni di mu. Oba ya ultimate say he is the Minister for Information. He has to give the information out. It is our back.
Security who say there. And can say interior and meka. Say be a na Eric ka say.
But say okay, why how dem chema obeti ase. Now, so me tie mo anu anopa na kakra, wo tie ye security nim di phone bebra. Wo hwe statement papa Yewura Kojo Ponkroma read here na. Could the time ade mo force wa de she di pakon. Wo say there was a plot to assassinate.
Ya brofo no.
Brofo na wo ho no. Na oba ya tie me ba pacho me ba.
Eric, enya question.
Ya de nioma bi di agro. There's an issue to take someone's life. You see, there's one thing I gonna for yen share say. If there's a problem and I send to kwesi Ghana cool war, whatever see ya. Oh oba ya me no me vulnerable. Me no recover kwa jansa na later. E muju aba me no me bi oba na keko. Ye ne kwala ye vulnerable. So when some of these things happens, yen as matter and as a ma e wo man me no. E was say ye can wasem. Yes, sir, rather say it won't even happen. Now there's a friend say a plot for about 1 year, 3 months ago on now. On my friend, so to be how NDC and some of Omonkrofono see it say we were quick enough to come out and say there's a plot on a friend say way yakonhu aden kwa me hu ni din mo grenade and I said grenade right yeah. Grenade I him say a smaller I was reading a smaller form of bomb by be manufactured TB edi and someone. That's one the Lord. Yet they say so be be to who say yemi and say yebenya problem. Ghana for be who say wo buy ya wo UTV ni papa ye NDC ni ye be hwe ya ansa na your political we affiliations that will belong
but a man for can say intelligence gathering sisi an e different level.
Okay.
Enti ebi ni ti say the daily guide dia be say afi ni ehun say sa na ni page wo Facebook
exactly.
Na ni postings
na all try
na can sem
oba say last week me can sem bi kire wa ha. Say you will nipa ni bi to them a ranten ma ba ni bi wo ho a obi beba wa cycle no e na aban kra nya hwe ma NDC ba de na o ma MPP ba de na wanya let us do this ye ranten ma bebibra ya lo omo into am robbery na e sabi nduma die basa wudie bi no some of these things na started e bia na na education as we kwotisi odire from the railway line to see baby no now social media are you closer to us say bibia obeye monitor unim say ye wan basis organ ha will print your social media we near yeah. That one alone can refuse you.
Until we could have used that system. Can be a year in 10 and 15 months and near
but say when you would ya some buyer and it is on the president and a Ghana in Africa, you can't send me say 20 and Katwa now a grow our bagana phobia ni so near kitchen knife. Mia minimo bia minim ni krom ha with nim set security some ye dangerous na ya kofa stranger e de war panie no afa kitchen knife ladder e dia no de go sane ma wetimi dia wu But this same person,
I de omo ye no mo si etimi ye ku.
Etimi ye ku.
Yep.
Ba akokra do si we etimi ku. Na ni village king be ni village chief be kura we ntimi monetize ntimi nya. You see, we make fun of enyema bia when it comes to security some. And na ye tu abayagu. Eye bibia, you just blink your eye like this. It can happen. You know that. Yet Kroma who are happy, who are see a bit to me at any given time. Well, where your countries are, you know, exactly, but who shall cry try a wash and talk with Supaya. Sir Leon, or share a friend's Amaya and talk with Sua. And yes, I'll be so planning with 20 years and some some just happen with the twinkle of an eye. And this is security matters that borders on Ghana for you know, any man penny or to so in as much. So penny some you will not sit somewhere. Use hospital awesi. Now I try to, you know, gather microphobia. Yenye way, yes a pistol na ye locally manufactured gun, right? And you intimi fe ye.
Intimi ne uze.
But I hana mi bi say, and we did ye ye the boss be man penny radiman empangu patron.
Don't come maintenance you.
Don't come over than what to
per the information minister the buyer no. I don't know you interpret for now. And I can charges the panel. Look at the charges.
Mr. Manager noise.
Charge no back we ya meba. Or say pe openi kojo opon kroma kan say attempt to say e pesi yi man
penny free ho.
Aha. Enti mema ye nka ni say eyiku. Secondly, my yen fe ni agro. Of which I know the utie expert na nra ye see stations ni bi o say ho amukra ni expert na say mu achi. Ebisi o we nyehu. Ebi nso see ehu. Nti wo mu respect for no cross wo mu boa ye say ade
onim say ya onim say man
oba ya wuti me fa to
onim say owo ho say Ghana ye man peni
o de man fa flow we are me man
oba ya ye de sa niema we edi agoro because aban bi to so ye mpa aban na sem ye tu aban go onim say ne sa aban ne kura free so a oba ya the next person sa seconds na ye de be swear vice president in no Ghana ya hwade pa because you Roman penny mills, a random funny crazy, ye bepimone, ye nim the told and suffer no. Or free one, ye near ye tiddy so ye because he was a certain president. Now ye are buying for fraba. On one Cassandra vice president, I will no opportunity to be a president, Kobe Kwakudino. Ye really quickly now. It didn't take even 1 month cry, you're jailing 10 years. And son, you will say, Sir, Nana gonna cry your day yet. Meaning about Uti, Nana gonna yet. But as Zumi say, or to me, and your coin. Ebo ya man penny that tua. And can I be in any Sagana Yashrad? Quadia wokum nipa.
Into come
so may come and a say. We shouldn't see some of these things as say, ya di diagro, never say, a friend say, a binding and pennyfana say, more ye should have come up with the design idea. They should have waited for so many years, they should have waited for some time, and son or the Adiana Baba boy. When we know, say, when it comes to securities and some accuracy, some of it started like this.
Oh, sure, that information we not Ghana full here no at the time and
one and a half
needed. As I said, or man for nitty, and as an uncle say, I buy moon for na institutions say, oh, my said, you know, 15 months in Shushimu, send ye and so now ye call you maso sana near Mekoso. Intinan Komunkoso and Kuntuna says, na enko, and I said your mobile kind,
Obaya uti. Send the per plan so baby di mampeni wu na so be plan say bibi betimi asi o man oyo ne betimi asi no enye ni pa ba ko mienso won say miensa ne ye hu
yeah
per the investigation o mo ye for 1 year 2 months 3 months o mo ye no
but say si soldier for
and say soldier for camp fantastic o dia me pacho I am not talking about coup me papa ye ex-military officer but say akomesi Ghana hwa na bia me pacho pair de asisi atwam no enye soldier for Libya enye soldiers na start Sierra Leone enye soldiers na start yanamboa eti you can't take them out. I am happy the security agencies aka say ye nuanom soldier for bi ye dey eka ho. What we have to do now, of course now we can say na ni kwa say ke basa abrei ebedi ayem
me
bisa me pacho me buy a question
say
ehia pa bisa me sa den ehia pa say na wo senke ba abonti because say enke take only God knows how long Brana and it would have still come out as an information as say intelligence nearby so secretly ayenim so be anim say hospital unti
eno die yesi die unimu no enku enhaw if it's a security expert for no to be ni say as omo kan say eniama ni bi wa etimu si bi a aban anaso mo yo masede betu ho anamo yes ansa na later oma be campo ama omanfo ate tina binum esusu so we
dey happen na katimi happen
nye se asio omo be prevent omo betu ho anamo nanso emma medadwa bedwa say emma omanfo afa ye ntutu na se ne abasa ma wo mo ebi kro mo hyeda nim hu nim de me yenya by force experts emo mo so nka me bi mo so fa ni agro say ebi so na ya asem ye nti se nka wo mo de hye wo mo tumamu ene nso omo ye wo mo adwuma etu ho anamo a na nka no ye afi achi mfie mienu achi si o da no bi say ni NEC.
And better than Kianuano, where you land the yam starting free.
Mate.
And better than Kianuano, or Mate, as you say, and no crest say, you did you might be a CC, maybe a chum patcho.
Is it about them?
It's not about them, it's about Ghana for but one, there's one funny question, maybe say, a surprising too. Ghana for be say, as some way by and swapra. You when this is for a quickly or muscle, making fun of it too. Or more, maybe two. Or Moncro for. Minim so be any issue you the first point of call should be your lawyer. Wouldn't be a minor a court or minor by my lawyer, right? But among Crawford and here lawyers to Crawford say they are defendants. You see, some of them are I've called you. I called Eric.
You were asking questions.
I did not call you as Eric. Please, rhetorical questions.
I hope
I said you not. Just allow me. Yeah, it will be a boko. Dear Nameka, Nami Bisani say, lawyer no. Any say or share NDC atadio share NDC atadio or your licensed practitioner or your nedjuma. And this will be a fan no no so sekanti wo school share na ma for bre so on person be ya lawyer for. Now I go school where we send me the law na me no obi abefana for the sanko class when you lawyer just tell a friend you lawyer
I mean can say me sure the ma obi wo ho asem si no kasa eyim ne particular spia mountain say no I was listening to a radio station
okay
you rad Adawudu kasa no and aban we pre ho do corruption e koso ahoyehia Ghana for me pa cho tie ahoyehia Ghana for na hia na mo pentam di America mo de we beto abonten no enya no na Ghana for party. When you do that, that is why Ghana for be musu be bisa question say, why is NDC interested in this issue say? Enye security and some edi kwasa na kade we kura de ba abonten yentre o mani nsiasa. Wo de bia mo period interest ene hia mo. But ade a border on Ghana for na so this. Exactly. Edi ebe boama ye be preventing yama bi. Ye be boama ye security and some. Ye nyine yakoba die ebe ye easy ama ye no. And no you don't think about it. Issue sipe quickly you just come in as a lawyer. Cause as a lawyer ni number 3 am so you are no settima mu ni ami yes but when you bring in say asema ye see kranya de ombetimi ayeku say ye twito ni si ye Adawudu so anaso wo adwumam ye say encrophobia san crofo ye o manufacture what you can say grenade ani etuon keten ani a okasa bafo no ye nenam kumasi obu a pickpocket bafo ye didi awuo ya didi awu mane ye so ti adwuma mu de yakasa obi a hostu san crofo hostu ne family hodom hostage edi na oba wakasa anka na nkomo nkoya hwe enya ku eye MPP aban eye president you are okay you are fine with it we are not smart yes on here
what's your baby why you 15 minutes
you should take 15 minutes the same time we should be at so let us be all careful
abanyema bia Eric enka ne ne sorry so yes on
lawyer na papa na kofa no no said the kind no ye private legal practitioner and obi eco secure for the service.
Okay.
And as a defense counsel no ono ba abonten de osusu so obeka ma ne client boato ne yema na se be bi ode ne case ne fa obedi bim no woka. It doesn't matter the political affiliation of the lawyer now or champion case na manipa no. What is a Kwajoga NDC for Tuaneka? But some no, and I'm saying no, he's NDC, and I'm saying, me say, or yeah, Jenny,
eh, Mpacho, okay, say, Eric, Mr. Time Nimposa.
Good. Or NDC, yes, Mapa, or a legal practitioner, and will be Aquan also here in service.
Okay.
Now, because America Jam, my real law school, even a papa and one Kamenko. I can call. I tell you, Mokraso Munya, lawyers, the Omoko court, so Moko can be a momo. And secondly, one thing I was going to say, John Mahama, the end day, ya nto ebo anhwehwe mu nipa na ko jeli ni 10 years later kra na ehun se na adwem ka no se mo na mo ko prison wo ko hwe na adwem.
Can you imagine?
Mo de kroma you see the actions. Meba we no
on me be some
John Mahama de no na kwa na adwem ka no.
And then we am talk about 10 years.
Kasana de o kan sound man na
John Mahama de no na ye John Mahama nti no ye tu amnika ko jeli ni 10 years later kra na MPP fo hu se na adwem ka no. Secondly, JB Danko Adudie ba ya sexy don ko gina court obo Kennedy Japan mu di no. Omo start say boy na adwemu ka no. Mo de kroma mo na munima abodanfo mu di ewu MPP fo. Sexy don meba sexy don ko gina court. Wa mo boy MPP penifo ni bidin. Me say oka hwan obo bi mu di e ho na omo start oh.
Uba ya ni so blue top and down rin so what it.
O she me kaki kaki. Me say oh Jennifer. O kasa me tie di mu ya.
Jaja manya sa and don't say things you don't know.
Obo de woni mi bibia okroma ho.
Obo mo people from penny for
munim se kuma no nyansa nyina mo so
don't do that. Don't bring up penny for boy ne kokko be pem
ne don't say party from penny for ne share kutupa e na mo start say akwa na adwemu ka no
kutu ho
enti mo de kroma obi adi bone na adwemu ka no.
Don't do that.
What we are saying is say asemo the approach na you dey handle no a lot of people raise concerns about it mebo as Ghana ni obetrans kasa as NDC for na asem we ba na defend yes sanity we are also
exactly what you are doing exactly what you guys are doing
adwen be ko benkro mo
onim sa
obviously there will be different adwen
so why do you say NDC for there you see you don't behave that way
because the demeanor and the posture you taking up as way. Yeah, and that is why you so draw
one Eric can answer my ye be pon
no buy I am fan coffee because some of me
that's the last thing I will do
no I'm a director of communications I won't do that the officer what you say the officer works under the director kasa
mo dey post here mo dey mamu post here so so mamu nkoso security asem ya ye the buy na toba ha ye kan me say yeah, security asema yake. Ofa Ghana bakosema aban bia maya we security capos chana na adoda. Enso Ghana security na say. So what you ought to do at this time you set up
Montana be two nsi ukon yin so. They said your point try the two si ha na abeti wi aso.
Jennifer ya na adwen say. Oma Eric nkasa. Eric so be ma Jennifer attention. Ya mu kra no ndu agba pa ho meeting wotwe.
Wo yes I am why because
mesre mo ni dia na madam asese na
ya me na ya se beto da wase da bo enye fe ase da be na de mami
na mo sa me
fa wase da mami kasa ka tire ne so onya kasa wo da ya se so person tire me se untimi control Jennifer nti wa da ya se
ade obeka
ade da na se ya
10 oba ade na ya mpon
ya ja wo de twa me 2 na me nko
2 be na me ntwa ma enti 2 ni nti na wo ba be
na kasa tire
control Adam control Jennifer so ye me ba
ya unu ya ba no ka tire ne so onya kasa
me ntimi
I want to control me. Count 2 minutes now. Me come there.
That's what I see. Where Jack?
You many prefer no concern.
I see where Jack kasa.
You are buy na come there near there.
Mo na mo ko na mo ba.
There me pesa.
Na me pon ba.
Ya me ba. There me pesa me kan nyina ne se. Asem na aba no. Ye mfa ni kroje hwehwe mu yi.
Okay.
Na bebi e wo se do to no ye de to because mo man nko se de bia MPP National Chairman newspaper. No the story bi aba e to da na ya twen bi asan. No it is serious o. O ka etakra de kwala na issue ne ba no. Okay, newspaper or the information ba say wakoye investigation will be enough for akache nkwada no ho. This very same newspaper. And the newspaper we know so ya no almost source from the presidency because national chairman paper ho asem ne yekan. Enti omo de omo nsem o ba so omo wa ban mu no mo de ba. But at the end of the day na akoda ne boachi bidin. Ghana for ye new level a e was mo created that fear and panic in the system. Enti na make us me nye expert. Enti expert na so de omo nsem o ba e na na political expert so ye kan bi. But the matter involved no e ya de esi enye for obi ampene so me na na do ochena na walusu amepe say ye beje ne craft free nsem dey out. Okay, so those things in a bar said the obi dey remember no e ba John Mahama dey so amenka say nipa na adu mu kan so to
queen pacho
na adu mu kan ka court is setting free utie asam 2 minutes aye
obenye 2 minutes wa
Masem America nyina.
Wasem be na oka. Omu ne hwe kan sem obeka waka ni nyina wi. Ade no na na do suban ne ma kwan ofa so do man enkoyi. Ene ma enkoyi ri se mo se sam suban.
Wo betra mo ye say ya say no be na go di 30 years.
Ene ma ekoso
Because mo madwene na mo dey planning di aba be di o man no so. A different from
na mo UP asefo akura sa mo suroku.
Able to bring out a single policy
UP asefo mo suroku.
And one say mo susu.
Yeah, kan kwofo mo bo man Ghana forma. Omo di kuku se ma onim se mo di kuku. Political party a cool mentality.
Empacho Eric J, Deputy Bruno Regional Communications Officer NDC, and Jennifer Quinn, a Deputy National Communications Director NPP. Abusia for no do abapa ho oba no wankwa woji wani so midi de yakunama meda mo ase nyame adoma e chi na ye besia aba meda wo mu so ase se no mo betwen cheye e ho de mama wo mo plus na aka de aka ye wo no chi na